What is the difference between transient and volatile keyword in Java?
The transient marked variable prevents it from being serialized, whereas in multi-threaded Java programs, volatile marked variables adhere to the happen before relationship on visibility, lowering the possibility of memory consistency issues. The transient marked variable allows the option and control to skip particular object methods during the serialization process. About volatile marked variables, it stops JVM from performing reordering, which may jeopardize synchronization. In transient, variables are initialized with a default value during deserialization, and volatile marked variables are not started with a predetermined value. Because static variables are not associated with specific instances, they cannot be utilized with the static keyword. Only an object's present state is taken into account during serialization. On the other hand, volatile marked variables are compatible with the keyword static. Transient marked variables are incompatible with the final keyword, although JVM doesn't complain about it. Reinitializing a variable during deserialization can be problematic, whereas in volatile marked variables, there is no problem of using final keyword. Like, share, subscribe for more videos.